Welcome back to Be Healthy TV, the #1 channel for all things health and wellness. Today, we're talking about weight loss, and more specifically, the top 5 foods you should absolutely avoid if you're trying to shed some pounds. Losing weight can be tough. There are so many temptations out there, and it can be hard to stay on track. And hey, if you're looking for an extra boost on your weight loss journey, be sure to check out the link in my bio or in the description below. All right, let's jump right into it. First up, we've got sugary drinks like soda, fruit juices, and energy drinks. These are basically liquid sugar bombs. They're loaded with empty calories and can lead to weight gain. Ditch the sugary drinks and opt for water, unsweetened tea, or sparkling water with a splash of lemon or lime. Next on our hit list is white bread. White bread is a refined carbohydrate that's been stripped of its fiber and nutrients, causing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. These spikes are often followed by crashes, leaving you tired and hungry. The excess sugar in your bloodstream gets stored as fat if it's not used for energy. Instead of white bread, go for whole grain options that are packed with fiber. Let's talk about candy bars. Candy bars are essentially sugar and fat bombs with very little nutritional value. They're loaded with added sugars, unhealthy fats, and empty calories that can sabotage your weight loss efforts. Eating a candy bar can lead to blood sugar spikes and crashes, leaving you craving even more sugary treats. Instead of a candy bar, opt for a piece of fruit, a handful of nuts, or a small square of dark chocolate. Similar to candy bars, pastries and cookies are loaded with sugar, unhealthy fats, and calories. These sweet treats are often low in fiber and protein, meaning they won't keep you feeling full and satisfied. If you're craving something sweet, try baking your own treats at home using healthier ingredients like whole wheat flour, oats, and natural sweeteners. Last but not least, let's talk about fried foods. They're loaded with calories and unhealthy fats that can sabotage your weight loss journey. When foods are deep fried, they absorb a significant amount of oil, increasing their calorie content. Instead of frying your food, try healthier cooking methods like baking, grilling, steaming, or sautéing. These methods help to retain the nutrients in your food and reduce the amount of added fat. So there you have it, guys. The top 5 foods to avoid for weight loss. Remember, making healthier choices is a marathon, not a sprint. The key is to be mindful of what you're eating and make gradual changes to your diet over time. Plus, if you are in need for weight loss supplements, click the link on my bio or description below to shop now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Until next time, stay healthy.